Well, I agree that civil war is the ultimate reset button of a society or country. But as humans, it's also admitting that we cannot change anything without being rational or reasonable. And isn't it ironic with all those anti-violent protests that your groups were launching, hindi nyo kayang makipag-usap rationally, reasonably sa kapwa nyo tao or Pilipino to fix things in a much more reasonable or peaceful way.
This is Pinoy Extreme.